Hello my friends, and welcome to this full body stretch. You are not going to need any special equipment for this one. You could do it anytime, anywhere. So when you're ready, meet me in a comfortable standing position with your feet about hips distance. Take your first big inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth, signaling to the body that it's safe to relax. On your next inhale, interlace your fingers, press your palms up toward the sky. And as you exhale, side bend over to the right, coming up onto your left toes, making yourself as long as you can. Come back to your center, and then we'll move over to the left, just moving back and forth like this at your own speed. Take one more. And release your fingers. We're going to now interlace your fingers behind your back. Draw your knuckles down toward the ground, opening through the chest, spreading the collarbones. Take a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. Start to play around with some neck rolls, taking your ear to your shoulder and then dropping your head over and around to the other side. See what feels good for your body today. Meet me back through center, release your hands, give everything a little shake out. Let's go for a cross-body shoulder stretch. Take your right arm across your body, pulling it in nice and close. Pause here just for a second, and then we're gonna release the right arm and do the same with the left. Just continue here, taking one shoulder stretch and then the other. Now let's find a tricep stretch. So we'll take the right arm, bend the elbow, then with the left hand, just guide that elbow down and back. Your right fingertips can travel down your back as far as they can today. Take one more breath in. Now let's switch over and do the other arm. Left arm bends. Left fingertips travel down your back. Awesome. Release your left arm. Give everything a little shake. Step your right foot forward. Left foot comes back. Finding a high lunge position. Play around with the position of this back leg here until you find a nice stretch through the front of your left leg, your left hip flexor. Hands can be to your hips, or for a little bit more, reach your fingertips up toward the sky and then side bend over to the right. And you should really feel this deepen the stretch in your left hip flexor. Now from here, shift your weight forward onto that right foot. The left foot's gonna come in towards your glute, finding a quad stretch. Keep your knees close together, stand up tall. You should feel a nice stretch along the front of your left leg. Try not to fall over. I'm watching the ocean. Oh, I'm a little wobbly. One more breath in. As you exhale, release your left foot. Let's do that on the other side. So this time the left foot steps forward, right foot comes back. Feeling a nice stretch through the front of your right leg. Sinking your hips down as far as you can, as far as is comfortable. And when you get there, hands can be to your hips, or for a little bit of a challenge, reach up and then side bend over to the left. Now let's transition into that quad stretch. So shift your weight forward, coming onto your left foot. Right foot comes in towards your glute. Knees come close together, stand up tall, open the chest. Nice quad stretch through the right side. Last breath in. Release your right foot. Step your feet out a little bit wider now. We're going to come into a side lunge. So just bending through one knee, shifting your hips over to the side, feeling a nice stretch through the inside of your left leg, and then come up through center and then over to the other side. Go ahead and take one more to each side. Oh. Press yourself all the way up to standing. All right, let's find a little bit of a forward fold, but with a new variation. So cross your right foot over your left. You're gonna hinge at the hips, keeping a nice flat back so you feel a deep stretch. So you should probably be feeling this in both hips as well as your hamstrings. Your hands can travel down your legs, or you can grab a book if you need to bring the ground a little bit closer. Wherever you are, breathing into any of that tightness that you might be feeling. One more breath in. Now from here, press firmly into your feet, come all the way up, and then switch the crossing of your feet. We'll do that again for the other leg. So hinging forward at the hips. Hands traveling down your legs for some support. Continuing to take full deep breaths in and out. Awesome. Slowly come all the way up to standing. Let's take a full forward fold now, a wide-legged addition. So take your feet out a little bit wider, hinge forward at the hips. Upper body can just hang heavy. And do what feels good here. Maybe you want to add a little sway from side to side. Whew, that feels so good today. You could also add a twist from side to side. So left fingertips come to the ground, right fingertips reach up. Or switching from side to side. Or you can just hang out in your forward fold, enjoy some stillness, enjoy the hamstring stretch. Completely up to you. Oh, wherever you are, meet me back in a wide-legged forward fold. Take a full deep breath in, and as you exhale, hands to hips, bend your knees, roll all the way up to standing. Oh, I love that stretch. Step your feet closer together. We'll end with a full body stretch. So on your inhale, reach your fingertips up. Can you make your body even longer? Can you find more length? And as you exhale, cactus your arms out to the side, opening through the chest. Let's do that 2 more times. So on your inhale, reach your fingertips up. As you exhale, drive your elbows down. One more time. Inhale to reach, finding even more length. And exhale. Release any and all remaining tension. And we are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really supports my channel, and I will see you again soon. Bye.